Ito yung entrance ng Zamboanga City Alliance Evangelical Church. Malaki siya. Meron siyang up and down seats. So, tinatawag yung sa up, mezzanine. So, ito, picture-picture muna bago papasok. Kasi, ang umpisa ng worship service, first, I think second na ito kasi 10 o'clock. So, 10 o'clock mag-umpisa yung second service. Ito yung logo ng Alliance Evangelical Church.
Now let's go to the
Yun yung entrance ng first floor at dito naman ito yung way na papunta sa Sunday School ng mga bata at saka sa pantry. Ito naman yung sa mezzanine. Malawak siya. So, wala pang gaanong tao kasi hindi pa nag-umpisa yung service. Maaga lang kaming pumasok.
Oh.
Ayan. Tapos yung mga nag-operate dito sa mezzanine, yung mga young adults. Ayan siya, ang ganda. Tapos both side may kortina, ang ganda rin ng kortina nila. Ito, mag-uumpisa na.
Alliance Graduate School. And 53 pastors were there. After the 5-day intensive training, I proceeded to General Santos. I was supposed to be in Davao right away because I took the plane and there is no direct flight coming from Zamboanga to Jensen and Jensen to Zamboanga City. So I chose to fly going to Davao instead of taking 2 flights, which would make the expenses double. Because if I would be flying direct to Jensen, the plane coming from Zamboanga would bring me to Manila and then Manila to the kind of water. She said to Jesus, "Give me that water, sir." Jesus said to her, "Go and call your husband." The woman said, "I don't have a husband." And Jesus said, you are right with what you said, that you don't have a husband. Because in the past, you have had 5 husbands. Ooh. And now you are living with someone who is not your husband. So kami nagmarites si Jesus. Nakapupak sa aming naliliyan.
Tapos na ang simba kaya uwi na.